Stop waiting for the perfect AI tool, it's already here. Introducing Nano Banana Pro from Higgsfield. By leveraging the power of Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model, we've forged an engine that prioritizes crystalline clarity, absolute creative control. We've eliminated the common frustrations of generative art. Nano Banana Pro intelligently corrects textual aberrations and anatomical flaws before they ever hit your screen, delivering crisp, stunning 4K resolution every time. Don't settle for less. Head over to higgsfield.ai or check the image catalog to start creating today. Link is in the description. Let's first start with a random prompt. A cinematic, ultra-realistic 4K photograph of a vintage mahogany desk. On the desk sits a clear glass of red wine filled precisely to the brim, next to a silver pocket watch displaying the time 4:55 p.m. The scene is lit by soft, warm tungsten light coming from the left. Nano Banana Pro is now selected. You have full creative liberty over your aspect ratio, with a wide range of presets optimized for any social platform. If you're unsure, simply select Auto and let the AI determine the ideal composition for your prompt. Quality is at the heart of the Pro experience. You can generate native imagery at 1K, 2K, or stunning 4K resolution, and even upscale existing images to 4K with ease. For precision editing, our Draw to Edit feature allows you to modify specific areas of a reference photo or seamlessly drop new objects into your scene. To ensure you find the perfect shot, every prompt generates 4 distinct variations. Best of all, subscribers enjoy unlimited generations, no credits, no limits, just pure creativity. Finally, hit the Generate button and wait. There. The resulting image is strikingly sharp, capturing every intricate detail with absolute clarity. With a shallow depth of field, the lens draws the eye toward the clock in perfect focus, while the background melts into a creamy professional bokeh. The result is an ultra-realistic cinematic experience that feels truly immersive. Now, using a Nano Banana Pro image as your initial frame establishes a definitive benchmark for your project. It anchors the video's aesthetic, ensuring the final animation inherits the same high-fidelity tone and visual texture as the original still.
Time is up.
Next, let me use this Nano Banana generated image as the reference for the next demo. We are trying to transform the person into a powerful anime-style airbender. Generate. This is artistry in its purest form. The dynamic energy and brushstroke textures are truly marvelous, all while maintaining the subject's authentic facial features with remarkable fidelity. In our next example, I will be using this beautiful photo as the first reference image, and I have added another photo as the second reference image. The prompt goes like this. The woman in the first picture is wearing the items in the second picture. She is hiking and sun is setting in the horizon. She is also taking a photo of the sunset with the camera model Nikon Z5. Generate. And the result is exactly like what I intended in the prompt. Nano Banana Pro eliminates the need for costly photo shoots and lengthy editing, delivering production-ready assets in minutes. From digital artists requiring stable character consistency to brand designers prototyping packaging with crisp, readable typography, it serves every professional niche. Next, I have imported this photo of pizza and asking for all the ingredients with names and quantities. Let's see what happens. From a single picture, the model generates every necessary ingredient just like that. Nano Banana Pro's training allows it to interpret context and understand intent without the need for prompt engineering. It handles the heavy lifting by filling in complex details with remarkable precision, marking a definitive leap in generative intelligence. In the next generation, I am uploading this photo, and the prompt is, make an online wardrobe catalog from this outfit. And there you go. The way Nano Banana Pro interprets a prompt is truly remarkable. It captures the essence of the vision and renders it with an uncanny level of detail and precision. This is a render of Keanu Reeves in the GTA universe. Look how perfect it is. Next, I have added this reference image and I want to see the woman's POV. There, it's great as usual. Let's explore the model's spatial awareness. By using this reference photo and prompting it to reveal the Backstage view, we can see Nano Banana Pro's ability to outpaint. It doesn't just add pixels, it reimagines the entire context and expands the scene with remarkable consistency. In our next generation, I am adding this photo of Angelina Jolie and asking Nano Banana Pro to generate high-res street photo close-up of a rusty pole in a gritty urban setting, showing peeling paint and rough texture. A small, crooked, holographic sticker of a young woman is on the pole. Natural daylight, soft shadows, shallow depth of field, background blurred into urban haze. Shot with a wide-angle lens for slight perspective distortion. The results here are truly boundary-breaking. The way the stickers are rendered and integrated onto the pole is masterfully done, achieving a level of realism and aesthetic beauty that feels entirely organic to the scene. I am now adding this iconic Einstein photo and asking to create a high-detail product photo on white, a chibi-style plastic toy based on the referenced person, styled like a Kinder Joy figure. Beside it, opened capsule, instruction slip, and outer shell, soft studio lighting, crisp focus, clean shadows, polished toy photo look. The final result is in, and it's a testament to the power of Nano Banana Pro. You can see the incredible level of imagination and technical precision the model brought to this composition. Let's try something different with the same image. The prompt is iPhone quality daytime photo of an old computer monitor. The screen shows Microsoft Paint open with a pink-themed window border and a classic toolbar with icons. Inside the paint canvas, a flat 2D illustration of the same person from image 1 appears, as if drawn within the application. The image closely follows the prompt, showing a vintage monitor with Microsoft Paint open, including a pink-themed window and classic toolbar. The flat 2D portrait inside the canvas clearly matches the subject from image 1 and convincingly appears drawn within the application. What sets Nano Banana Pro apart isn't just the quality, it's the intelligence. It doesn't just guess what an image should look like. The Gemini 3.0 engine actually understands the laws of physics. It calculates object interactions and logical consistency to ensure every generation is truly usable in a professional context. Stop settling for random and start creating with logic. Head over to Higgsfield AI via the link in the description to try it today. You are watching Gizmo Journal.